In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Spacebar enter key is not working on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager under the Best Match. Now once Device Manager window is open, then you have to simply locate keyboards. You'll find your keyboard driver, make a right click, select Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here simply click on Next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, close this and click on the yes button, and this will restart your Windows and that will fix the issue for you. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that we can produce more videos for you, okay? For the next method is that we have to go again in the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Click on it under the best match. Then view this by category. Click on the Ease of Access Center.
Always scan this section.
Look for the option Make the keyboard easier to use. Make sure that sticky keys, toggle keys, and filter keys are not enabled. If these options are enabled like that, simply uncheck all of that options. Click on Apply, click on OK.
Always scan this section.
Okay. Then for the next method, we also need to make sure that our Windows operating system has downloaded the latest updates for our Windows. So click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon, click on Windows Update on the left pane, and simply click this button right here. Okay, click also on advanced options and click on optional updates. So if there are any optional updates right here, especially driver updates are very important. Simply click on the download and install button to download and install the driver updates into your Windows. Okay, and once updated, just restart again your Windows once and that's it. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.